Hello beautiful and wonderful people, welcome back to Jinamon channel. If you are new here, it's so great to have you. Please don't forget to follow my page and subscribe to my channel as well. In today's recipe, I'll share with you how to make carrot donuts. This turned out so delicious, it's yummicious, and I hope you're going to give this recipe a try because it's definitely a must try recipe. Let's get started. In the mixing bowl, I'll sieve in flour. I'm using all-purpose flour, but you can use cake flour as well. After, I'll go ahead and add in cocktail spices, salt, and baking powder. I'll stir these ingredients together till well combined and then keep it aside. So the cocktail spices that I used is totally optional. To a blender, I'll add in carrots, milk, egg, and sugar. I'll go ahead and blend this until it's smooth. I'll list the exact amount of the ingredients that I used at the end of this video or in the comment section below. When done blending, add the carrot to the flour mixture, add in oil and stir this together till well combined. This recipe does not need much ingredients, and trust me, it was so delicious. Try this carrot donut and trust me, you will love it. So this should be the thickness, the consistency should be just like so. Make sure it is thick like this. I'll then cover it and let it rest for at least 30 minutes. After 30 minutes, I went ahead and added oil to my saucepan. You want to go ahead and preheat the oil, and that's it. So take off the napkin and then scoop with your ice cream scooper, or you can even use your hands to scoop it and then add it to the oil. It's very simple. I find it very easy scooping it in with my hands. You can use the ice cream scooper as well. So this recipe is simple, easy, and then the carrots, mamma mia, you need to try it. I never thought carrot donut was that so delicious. It was my first time doing it, and trust me, it turned out delicious. My son was all over it. Try this recipe and let me know in the comment section. Look at this amazing donut, guys. It was delicious. Stay close to it, keep turning it until it turns to lovely, nicely colored, beautiful color like this. That means you are ready, it's cooked, it has fried well. Take it from the oil and drain the excess oil on a paper towel. So guys, this is it. Basically, this is it. It's simple, guys, and it's very easy to make. The good thing about this recipe is that you can make it 2 days or a day before the D-Day, or if you want to serve it in your party, at your party. I hope you really enjoyed watching this video. Please make sure you give this video a thumbs up, share, comment, subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, follow my page, and see you in my next video. Till then, bye bye.